guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's your girl Samantha, and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. A million kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. If you're always been coming back, oh guys, welcome back. I'm a good friend. So today in this video, I'll be telling you how to mix the Caro White a different way. So if you're a person that just started out using the Caro White, or you just buy a Caro White because you're big enough, you are at the right place, because I'm going to tell you an amazing formula you can use to lighten your skin and make it come pretty. Understand? Because you don't want use a cream and it burn up your face, especially if you don't use it the right way. Guys, you have to use it the right way. If you use it the wrong way, it'll go burn up your face, and you can't use too much of it one time on your face. You have to use a little. And another thing is that you must not use your lightening creams in the day time, because you will get sunburn. And always use a sunscreen. Let me show you. I have a sunscreen, and it's the sports sunscreen. I make sure I use it all the time, so if I go out the road, I turn back and put on my sunscreen, because me not going out into the sun without the sunscreen. Alright guys, mostly use your lightening creams in the night because it's more effective, and you know, walk up and down, you just lie down and sleep, yeah, and it'll work better. Okay. Alright, okay, on to the mixture. You're going to get a big Caro White, or if you can't afford the big Caro White, but I would recommend you get the big Caro White, because small Caro White do have no use to your face, and the small Caro White is like if you're going to use it on spots, like if you have some spots and you want to get rid of it, but if you're going to lighten your face alone, because some people lighten their face, they don't lighten their body like me. I just like my face. I'm sorry, I like lighten my face. The big Caro White, you're going to get the Caro White serum. Yes guys. And another thing, you are going to get a milk protein lightening gel. If you don't get the milk protein, guys, because I find out that some people can't find it, so I would recommend for you just to get maybe the Omnic gel, if you know Omnic gel. If you are a person that like the neoprozone or neprozone, any way you pronounce it, how you pronounce it. So the jar of Caro White, the gel of your choice, the serum, coconut oil. I recommend you using the oil in that cream, okay? The reason why I like putting oils in the cream is to moisturize your skin while doing skin bleaching, because if you don't do that, your skin will dry out and just look awful. Like, okay, don't expect when you're doing skin lightening, you're going to just look flawless. Like, okay, in a month. You have to continue, and your face is going to look pitchy patchy you're going to expect that. Don't make nobody tell you that your face is not going to look pitchy patchy. Your face is going to look pitchy patchy until it just come off and look all flawless. Because don't worry about the stripping. Don't worry, guys. I'm being truthful. So let's separate the creams now. First, you're going to get two jars. One empty, the Caro white, with the jar of Caro white. You're going to scoop out half of it and put it in the other jar. Then for the half that you have, you're going to put it away. And then for the other jar that is already open, you are going to put the half of the serum in the cream. You're going to put the gel of your choice, and I most recommend milk protein. I'm not really a big fan of Neperzone no more because a lot of people don't like Neperzone, so I don't promote it no more. The milk protein is really good, and I see how far it has helped me. I don't know about other people's skin. Okay guys, you're going to separate the creams now for the Caro white jar, and you're going to get the next jar. You're going to scoop out half of the Caro white in another jar, and you put away that half. And then for the half that you have, you're going to throw a half serum. You're going to throw 1 or 2 milk protein, but I would say 1 for beginners, or if you don't want to use any gel in your cream, you just use it alone. Half serum, 1 gel, coconut oil, a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and you're going to use sunscreen in there and mix it around. Even though you're not going out in the sun at night, still put in sunscreen, and remember to always use sunscreen in your cream. I hope you get good results, and I know that you will get good results because I've gotten good results. So I hope you have a blessed day, and please remember to watch the ads, like, share, subscribe. Comment down below what's your favorite lightening cream, and if you want me to tell you how to mix the cream, I will. So just comment down below. Tell me hi, man. Come on, guys. Tell me hi. And remember to press the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload another video. Thank you guys for watching. Big up yourself. Remember to share on your favorite social media platform: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It depending on which one is your favorite. Bye, guys.